I closed my shorts. I made, I'm gonna just break down the whole trade and things that I did right, things that I did wrong, and prepare for tomorrow a little bit. Try to keep it a short video. You can see I made over $15,000 and I never risked more than $1,100 at a time. So I made about 14R on that, although I feel like I made a whole lot of mistakes regardless. Um, with that happening though, if we go back to my trading model, it makes my January not nearly as bad as before, where I was at negative 33,000 and I just made $16,000 because I had a couple small wins in the past day, in the past 24 hours. So I brought January up to negative 17,000. I brought my net P&L up to 44,000. I've been trading for September was only a partial month. I've been trading for September. I only traded the end of the month, I think. No, I've traded half of it. But if I count it as a month, then I'm making less than 10,000 a month. It's not really great. It's okay, it's acceptable. I'm still starting off and I don't know, I'm just trying to figure shit out. The month now I have I should have more than 3 winners. Where a sum of here to here. Hang on, what's going on? Oh, I need to plug in my computer. I didn't mark these as wins, that's why. So we're out. Yeah, I was probably supposed to hold these for longer, but we're gonna look at the charts and see. I kind of want to look at my journal right now. My profit, I made $136,000. I've lost $92,000, net of 44,000. My win percentage is right around 30%. My risk reward is about 3.5, which does work out to profitability. On the monthly breakdown, yeah, 5 wins, 14 losses, 26%. Problem is my risk reward is quite bad. 2 of those wins were very small. Um, what made the month so bad though is because my losers were large because I sized up, and then my winners were relatively not as big because, like, okay, I made 15R, but what was my size, right? It was small. Um, yeah, okay, we'll look at my equity curve now. So I got a nice little boost here, which is good. My trading account was getting low, and it's now up to. Looks like I got out at the right time, though, actually. It looks like there was a big squeeze that happened. So, a squeeze that's happening. This had been my stop loss. We're gonna go back and look at that. I got my trading account back to 33,000, so I could risk a little bit more. Yeah, in retrospect, taking some longs in here would have. Well, I don't know what will happen yet. I don't know what will happen yet. The longs would have stuck. That's all we know. Okay, well, feels good to get points on the board. Couple things I don't like that I did was um where did my live trades go? Equity live trades. These hedge losses, I just paid like an extra $3,500 for nothing. This one wasn't so bad, but I took long trades just as a hedge for my shorts because I was afraid of losing profits, but when I didn't actually have a trigger for a long trade. So that was just punting money, and I don't really like that. But It's okay. Moving on. So there's my P&L. It's like I feel okay about it. I just need, I guess, another win like that to get up here. But I want to continue to be careful. Okay, so let's look at where we are. So I had 3 pyramid positions. This one of the entries, 2 of them got put underwater, and I almost got stopped out by a hair, so I'm quite lucky it actually came down here. I had a chance to close for around 20,000 instead of 15,000, so I did leave some money on the table. I also had a chance to close on this wick. If I had had a limit order, I could have got, um, I don't know, a lot more, but I was looking for range lows, and I still am. So why did I close out? Well, one reason is I'm afraid, which isn't really a good reason. But just on lower time frame charts, even I just feel like so I'm a gambler, right? This is my stop. Like I have to lock in something from this trade. It looks pretty close. And if we take it, we could sweep in here before even going down. And then I'm gonna go to sleep soon. So I'm looking at this. That's not the one. My scripts. Where did it go? What? My scripts. Where did what happened here? Did it get actually deleted somewhere? Why are there only 7 lines? Okay, well I'll fix that tomorrow. Or after the video, not during the video. But I'm looking for this level to go. The thing is though, if this level goes, my plan had been, if this level goes, um, if we reverse, then I close. And if we dump, then I hold. And I don't know which of those will happen. And I wanted to be there live when it happened, and I'm gonna be asleep. Since I'm gonna be asleep, it just makes sense to close. Like I wanted this to happen during the day. So yeah, it looks it's coming towards my stop. If we look at liquidity too, like there's liquidity here. And even though we didn't clear this, we don't necessarily have to. It's possible we will just launch from here and go to new highs. That's a possibility. So I'm just going to clear off all that TA and go flat, and we're going to look at this chart with fresh eyes. Okay, hang on. I need to get the... Okay, I got my indicator back on here. And in the meantime, it does look like I got out at a good place because we're experiencing a little pump is happening. Bitcoin pumped another $100 from where I exited. So in retrospect, I saw this candle. I didn't want to do it, but this candle was a get out. It was the exact price action I wanted to see, this high volume wick. This candle should have been, yeah, well, you're long now. This is a long candle. Price never went lower before going higher. So, if I just immediately went long right there, Well, it wouldn't be going so well, but it'd be interesting. Now, ETH was a lot more interesting. So this is something I want to work on is which one to trade. ETH showed relative strength. Bitcoin had 3 lower wicks. ETH had 3 higher wicks. So once this happened, it would have been great to have a limit order in here with a stop in here somewhere. Say like right at this low. This would have worked extremely well. And we'd be running at 3R. It's crazy I made 15R. That's crazy, right? In a day. From one trade. It's crazy. And then, I don't know. You just try to hold to the highs. One of these maybe will stick or not. You just close here. Yeah, I mean, it is interesting. I kind of missed this because I had taken a couple losses and I was just too focused on we need to go lower. But then again, like, ETH didn't take the highs. Yeah, when we break out, it's just that was the sort of price action we were looking for, is taking these lows. So, no, I don't know that means we go to the highs. This could just be a retracement rally and I wake up and we broke down, but it is what it is. So, where are we now? Are there any trades I want to put on? Well, I know there's a magnet down here, and this 25,000 area is hot too. So, yeah, I mean, a long from the low could be good. A short from the high could be good. I'm not convinced we turbo run to new highs. I like sticking with the sort of inside trades, limit order, adding to positions is good. Although now I could risk a little bit more again. Like, what is my risk gonna be now? I think I may go back to risking 1%. 162. Or more at least. Um, yeah. I wish I had done better, but it's okay. I held out for more, and maybe it would have been correct. It'd have been interesting to still hold. Would have been nice to get along from the bottom, though. That one. Yeah, I'm not even really going to think about new trades yet and just look at where price went. We took this low. That was the one we took. Right. That wasn't that simple to catch with a limit order. No, it wouldn't have been. It would have been. This is where I get tunnel vision. Like, this is a long trigger. I'm supposed to take this. I don't like how big that wick is. So doing a tight stop would have been fine. But we wouldn't have exactly, yeah, we would have filled. We would have just filled actually and immediately ran to, I even watched that. Immediately ran to 2R. That would have been crazy. Something like that would have been insane. Yeah, should have done that. Should have not have tried along in here. It was just too much in the middle. And this long wasn't too bad actually. If I had taken it on ETH, I wouldn't have been stopped. No, I tried a long over here. This should have been an add-on short. But oh no, I can log off knowing that I did okay, I did better, and I'm tired now. I'm gonna get a good night's sleep tonight. What will happen? Well, wait for something to come in at the extremes, I guess. Really, I just want to trade these inside ladder, ICT, Lucky Chart Ape style reversals, like, and the occasional breakdown. Like if there's a reversal into a breakdown, I like the adding. That really improved the trade a lot, like considerably. That made a huge difference. It tripled the trade while keeping the risk the same. So I like doing that. And I think I'm going to try to do that instead of increasing size. So for instance, like I could have on this trade added right here. This could have been my first entrance. Okay, then I could have said, well, let me gamble a little bit, advance my stop, and we will try this. I'm not actually sure that we come down here. No, we didn't. Could have added, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not really interested in any trades now. Like there was a short yesterday, there was a long this morning that I missed, and it is what it is. So I'm out of here. And if I wake up and price is nuked, then I can feel bad about it, but it doesn't feel super likely. Okay, much love and peace.